rural development. Animal husbandry, poultry. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry or livestock farming is a branch of agriculture which is concerned with the breeding, rearing and caring for farm animals. Yes, so under livestock farming, cattle, goats are the widely held species. India owns of the largest livestock population in the world. Livestock production provide increased stability income. Livestock sector provides alternate livelihood options to over 70 million small and marginal farmers, including landless laborers. So, because of this livestock sector, which provide the alternative livelihoods options to over 70 million people, like a small as well as the marginal farmer, which includes the landless laborers. A significant number of women also find employment in the livestock sector. Even women also find employment in the livestock sector. In India, poultry accounts for the largest share of 58%, followed by others. Dairying. Dairying is a branch of agriculture which involves breeding, raising, utilization of dairy animals for the production of milk and the various dairy products which processed from it. Dairying is a business of producing, storing and distributing milk and its products. The performance of India dairy sector over the last 3 decades has been quite impressive. Due to the successful implementation of Operation Flood, India ranks first in the world in milk production. India's milk production increased from 17 million tons in 1950 to 51 and 102.6 million tons in 2006 to 2007, which was increased to 165.4 million tons in 2016 to 2017. And Operation Flood, that is White Revolution, was started by National Dairy Development Board in 1970. Under the Operation Flood system, all the farmers pool their milk produce according to the different grades and same is processed and marketed to urban center through cooperatives. Gujarat state is hailed as a successive story in the efficient implementation of milk cooperative, which has been followed by many states. Meat, eggs, wool and other byproducts are also emerging as important productive sector for diversification. White Revolution or Operation Flood relates to the rapid development in milk production that took place in India after mid of 1916. This name is a variation of the name which is Green Revolution, which is used earlier to describe rapid development in the agriculture production in India. The name closely associated with White Revolution is the Dr. Verghese Kurien. This is because the origin of White Revolution can be traced to the effect of Dr. Kurien, a Kaira districts of Cooperative Milk Producer Union situated in Anand in Gujarat state. This organization is better known by the brand name of its product Amul. So, the Operation Flood, that is the White Revolution, was started by the National Dairy Development Board in 1917 under the expert guidance of the chairman of Dr. Verghese. Fish farming business, fisheries, catching, processing or selling of fish and other aquatic animals, sea, oceans, river, lake, pond, stream. Inland 49% and marine 51%. Kerala, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Women participation in export and marketing. What are the problems? The problems like widespread unemployment, low per capita earnings, absence of mobility of laborers, high illiteracy. Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution is a water equivalent of the Green Revolution and primarily refers to the management of water resources that can steer humanity to achieve drinking water and crop irrigation security. The aim of the ongoing Blue Revolution is to rapidly increase fish production in small ponds and water bodies, a boon to small farmer, the nation's nutrition and its gross domestic product. Horticulture. Science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, tuber crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants, spices and plantation crops, varying climate condition and blessing as potential for diversification and value addition. Golden Revolution. The Golden Revolution was a period between 1991 to 2003. During this time, there was a big increase in the horticulture production, which means there was more production of fruits, vegetables and other horticulture products like honey and flour. Sericulture, rearing of silkworm and production of silk and silk products is called sericulture. It provides additional income to the farmer. It reduces poverty in villages. It reduces unemployment. Forestry. Scientific utilization of forest and forest product is called forestry. It can provide additional income to the farmer who live in the villages which is located close to the forest. Horticulture. Of horticulture, it is a branch of horticulture. It is a scientific cultivation of flowers. IT industry refers to the branch of engineering that deals with the use of computer, telecommunication to retrieve and store or transmit information. Information regarding the food security, insecurity, information on market, price, weather, soil condition for growing different crops. Shared a knowledge of economy and knowledge center. So, the information technology, that is IT, which refers to the branch of engineering that deals with the use of computer and telecommunication, and it will transmit the information. And information technology has revolutionized many sectors in Indian economy. There is a broad agreement that will play a critical role in achieving sustainable development and food security in the 21st century. So far we have discussed about what is meant by animal husbandry and what is dairy farming and fishing and what are the problem of fishing and horticulture, sericulture, forestry and the last of information technology. Thank you students.